Hey, so if you want to make your website feel more alive and interactive, Webflow animations are exactly what you need. No coding, just visual controls. And yeah, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, log into your Webflow account and open the project you want to add animations to. Next, click on any element like text, image, or button that you want to animate. Now, open the Interactions panel. It's the little lightning icon on the right side. You'll see different triggers like mouse hover, mouse click, or scroll into view. Pick one depending on how you want the animation to start. Click Start Animation and create a new animation. Then add actions like move, fade, scale, or rotate. Now customize the timing like duration, delay, and easing. This is where you make it feel smooth and natural. Hit the preview button to see how it looks. You can tweak it until it feels just right. Yeah, don't rush this part. You can reuse the same animation on other elements too, just apply it from the Interactions panel. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your site to make the animations live. And that's it. Your site now has smooth, clean animations that actually feel professional. Keep experimenting, try different triggers, and yeah, you'll get better with each one. Hey, so if you've ever